So this week I'm going to talk about the Capo, and here's a couple of them, look, and what you can do with them. Now it can be a little controversial with some people because some people believe that you should never use a Capo because it's somehow cheating. Well, it isn't cheating if you use it correctly. And that's what I'm going to do today. Now when you've mastered some open chords like G, C, D, or E, A, D, you can start using a Capo to have the same open chord sound but in a different key as you move up the neck. So let's say for instance you're playing in G and it all sounds great, but you want to sing the song and it's just a bit too low for you to sing, or whoever's singing it, and you want to put it up into a higher key. This is where you can use a Capo. So you can take it up one, and you get the same open sound, but it's in a higher key. So you can take it up two, etc., etc. It's really useful for Capos in this situation, and you can also use it to get higher inversions of chords. So let me just show you first of all in this G here. That's G, C and D. If I put the Capo up here on the fifth and I play this chord, it looks like a D, but it's actually an inversion of G when the Capo's up here. So we're going same thing, G, C, G, D. And if you've got a friend who plays guitar as well, you can play together, and one person can play with the Capo up there and do the higher inversions while the other person plays the open chords. And it'll give you a nice big rich sound instead of you both playing exactly the same thing. And that's it really with Capos. You can use them on acoustics, you can use them on electrics as well, although not many people seem to like using them on electrics. Maybe it's the look, I don't know. I actually use it a lot on electrics because it's very, very useful to get that open sound when you want it. What you should not use Capos for is as a substitute for learning bar chords. So if you've got to play an A flat bar chord there, learn how to play it. Do not just put the Capo on the fourth fret and play an E. The only reason to do that is if you want a particular open sound. But if you're just doing it because that seems too difficult, not a good idea. And that's it really. Capos, very useful little tool. They do come in slightly different versions, so the best thing is to go to your local music store and check the different versions out and take your guitar with you so you can make sure that it really works for you. See you next time.